In this tutorial, we are solving an issue some of Python programmers are facing when working on mobile phone using Acode editor. So by running Python on Acode editor, we need to download Python plugin. So this place we are downloading Python plugin by clicking Python plugin, and we're gonna install the Python plugin. So I will skip this video until the plugins installed finished. So guys, we are finished installing our Python plugins. So we'll get back to our editor. So let's assume that we want to run this code now. By running this code, we are clicking this place. Can you see the message? Cannot create properties of undefined reading loaded package from import. If we check the plugins, they give us some instruction. Let's check it. They say the warning, this plugin might not be supported in your device. To check whether this plugin is supported in your device or not, open console, declare variable using const keyword. If it throw an error, your device doesn't support this plugin. So let's open the console. So here's the console. So const, can you see unexpected end of input? So that means this plugin can't work on our device. Most developers stop in this place, like they give up, but here in this tutorial we are here to solve the problem today. First thing you will do is to install an app called Termux. So for you guys that don't know how to install Termux and that don't know what Termux means, Termux is a powerful terminal emulator for Android that allows you to run a Linux-like environment on your phone. So it provides access to a full Linux command line interface where you can install and use various packages, write scripts, and even run programming language like Python, Bash, and Node.js. This app allows us to run Python. So after we code this place, we can run Python on our Termux. So now we are installing Termux. Some install Termux from F-Droid, but I install my Termux from GitHub. So if you want to learn how to install Termux from F-Droid, we're gonna talk about it next class. So let's install the Termux from GitHub. So you go to your GitHub. If you have a GitHub account, you search for Termux. Oh. So you search for Termux. So repository with Termux, you click on repository with Termux. So Termux app. Have you seen it now? Release, you see the latest version of Termux, you click on it, and this app supported on many devices based on the device you are using, but the one that can support your device, I don't know the type of device you are using, but the one that can support your device firstly is using this universal.apk. Using this universal.apk, I've already installed my Termux, but you can download your Termux. So I've downloaded my Termux app now. Okay, let's open the Termux. This is our Termux. You can see it's pure terminal. So right now we are working on terminal. So first thing you will do is to update the environment by clicking this command pkg update and pkg upgrade. Okay, let's run the code. Let's run the command. I'm sorry. So we will wait until the Termux install finished. Okay, let's wait. So in this aspect, you are going to press Y. You can press lowercase or uppercase. For I choose uppercase. So now we are finished updating our Termux. Next thing to do is to install Python. So we need to press this package. Let me firstly clear the terminal. So by typing command clear. So right now you are installing Termux. You are installing Python. So pkg pkg install python. So this command allow us to install python. Okay, pkg install python. So guys, we have finished install our python. So let's check the version of the python. This one is not compulsory, but I just want to show you the version of the python. So there is the version. Okay, I'm sorry. So okay, version. So this is the version of the python. We are using python 3.12.9. so it's clear. Now we are starting our python project. First thing to do is creating a folder on Termux. So by creating a folder, we are using this command mkdir anyhow. So this command we use this command to create a folder to down. So mkdir python 3, we are naming the file python 3. So we have created the folder ls. Can you see python 3 ls? We used to check the files of folder in our Termux. You can also use it in many terminals. So we access the folder by using cd python 3 folder. So in python 3 folder, we are creating a file name. For creating a file on Termux, we use touch. So touch python touch python.py. This is the name of our file. So we've created the file. Can you see python.py? So we can access the file by going into our can access the file going into our Acode editor. Sorry for the app. So going to our Acode editor. So this file is corrupted already. So we access our new file by clicking this place. New file. Files. So you are clicking this plus sign, add path, select folder. So can you see Termux? So this is the folder we created in Termux earlier. This is the folder. Have you seen it? Python 3. So now we are accessing the folder python 3. So select. Okay, so python 3, we have clicked on that python 3. So we have accessed our python 3. So let's run a code. Can you see this python.py? This is the file we created into the python 3 folder. So let's run the code and let's check maybe it's working. So points hello world. So let's run the code. By running the code, you will use this command python 3. This python 3, I'm sorry for using the same, like using python 3 for that folder. This python 3 is the version of python we are currently using. So that's the reason why we are using python 3, not the name for this folder. So python 3 with the file we want to run, which is python.py.